What's up, guys? Crypto is pumping. We're going to check that out and talk about what's going to happen over the next few days as well as the next few months. All right, so check this out. Bitcoin has now hit $90,000. Just hit that a few days ago. And we were talking about this way back like over a month ago when Bitcoin was down around $60,000. We were saying Bitcoin's about to break out of this pattern and we're going to see it just shoot up to massive new all-time highs. And that's what we're seeing now. Beautiful breakout here over the last 2 weeks. And we're already at $90,000. We could hit $100,000 any day now, literally. I think strong probability we'll see that before the end of the year. And if we go over here, coin market cap, you can see fear and greed. We're starting to hit extreme greed, so potentially could have a bit of a pullback here in the short term before going high. So it could be a really good buying opportunity coming up. If you haven't yet, we'll talk about that later on, about that possible correction. But if you look here, everything's just been pumping like crazy. Today we had a small dip. Bitcoin only down 2%, other stuff down a bit more. So today a little bit of a dip. Some stuff down, Cardano down 13%, Shiba down 17%, some stuff down decent amount, but still over the past 7 days, everything is just way in the green. Bitcoin 18%, Ethereum 21%, Dogecoin way up 87%, massive pump for Dogecoin, Cardano up 47%, Shiba 28%, Avalanche up, Sui 30%. Pretty much everything's just way up. Crow 70%. So, like I said in the last couple videos, when this bull market starts, it doesn't matter what you're holding, everything's gonna pump. Obviously, some things like Doge are doing better than others, but everything's just gonna go up. And we haven't even hit the most parabolic part of the cycle for altcoins. At some point, there's going to be an altcoin season where altcoins just go crazy and you're going to see 20, 30, 50 X's, even 100 X's out of some coins. And we haven't even started that yet. So we're going to talk about that too coming up. So let's just first let's look at some of the gainers and losers real quick. So today, a bit of a red day, but some stuff still doing well. Peanut the squirrel up another 89% today. That's doing crazy, but top 100 not that much up. Most of the stuff had a correction today, so a lot of stuff down 15%. And then, but let's look at the past 7 days. So past 7 days, a lot of stuff way up. Peanut the squirrel 800% in the last 7 days. So if you got in on that, congrats. Dogecoin up 88%, Crow 74%, AOS Network 52%, Bonk, Cardano, Nero, Floki, Pepe, Render 37%, Athena, Sui 32%, Stellar, Akash, Shiba, Aptos, all this stuff's like 20%, Avalanche, Ondo. So a lot of coins, and these are the bigger coins too, are way up. All right, so let's talk about Bitcoin dominance and what that means for altcoins. So if you look up here, you can see Bitcoin dominance currently at 59.9%. So we're going to click on that. Kind of laggy. All right, so when this chart loads, we'll be able to see what happened in the last few cycles. So here's this orange line is Bitcoin dominant. So if you don't know what that means, it's the percentage. So if you look at the total crypto market cap, the market cap of all cryptocurrencies, this line shows the what percentage of that is Bitcoin. So currently Bitcoin is 59.8% of the total crypto market cap. So if you see here, so this is the Bitcoin dominance. Whenever this drops sharply, that's the altcoin season. And that's when altcoins are drastically outperforming Bitcoin. And so Bitcoin's dominance is going down, altcoin dominance is going up. So if we look here, this was March 2017, shortly after Bitcoin had started to break new all-time highs, and we saw a huge altcoin season, and then everything crashed and Bitcoin dominance went back up. Then in January 2021, Bitcoin had just broken new all-time highs again, and we saw another big altcoin season. Then everything crashed and Bitcoin dominance has been climbing up again. So now we've seen Bitcoin break new all-time highs again. So we could see this altcoin season start at any time. We could see another one of these where the Bitcoin dominance goes way down. Bitcoin price is still going up, but altcoins are just outperforming Bitcoin by a lot, and so the Bitcoin dominance goes down. So we could see that any time now, and as you can see, whenever this happens, it only lasts for a few months. So each cycle, there's a few month window where altcoins just go crazy, and you see 20, 30, 50, even 100x's, and we could be seeing that starting anytime now. So right now I'm just loading up on tons of altcoins because we could see that the altcoins start pumping like crazy anytime now. So if you want to load up on altcoins right now, I think that would be a good choice. Of course, you can do whatever you want, but yeah, also let's talk about the possible correction for Bitcoin. So yeah, past week we just been going straight up, but I think we could see this correct down all the way back down to like 76. That's possible before we go back higher. So I think there's a pretty decent chance. I don't know maybe a 50-50 chance that we have this correction, 50% chance we just keep going. But I would say a decent chance we do see a correction down to like $76,000 and then keep going higher from there. Also possible we could just shoot up to 100,000 tomorrow. I don't know. Nobody knows. But if we do see that correction, that would be an amazing time to load up like crazy on pretty much anything, because everything's about to go up a lot. But yeah, I mean, there's gonna be plenty of dips over the next few months. Every time you see a dip, just load up as much as you can. Maybe we'll see one of those here soon, or maybe we'll just keep going higher. But yeah, if we do see that dip over the next few days, just load up like crazy. That's what I'm going to be doing. And yeah, pretty sweet that we're seeing Bitcoin all the way up to 90,000. And that's pretty much what I got for you guys today, and I'll see y'all later.